Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta like noodles from scratch. We will start by gathering just a few simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and a small pinch of salt. Some recipes also use a tablespoon of olive oil for added elasticity. These basic components are the foundation for delicious, fresh homemade pasta, ensuring a wonderful texture and flavor for your culinary creations. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. On a clean surface, pile your flour and make a well in the center. Crack your 2 eggs directly into this well. Using a fork, slowly whisk the eggs, gradually pulling in flour from the sides until a shaggy dough forms. Then, knead this dough vigorously for about 10 minutes. This crucial step develops the gluten, making your pasta smooth, pliable, and wonderfully elastic. After kneading, wrap your dough tightly and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax, making it much easier to roll. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Using a pasta machine or a rolling pin, roll each piece very thin, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch. Finally, cut these thin sheets into your preferred noodle shape, whether it's wide fettuccine or delicate spaghetti. The final step is cooking your beautiful homemade pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Fresh pasta cooks incredibly fast, usually in just 2 to 4 minutes. Drop your noodles into the boiling water and stir gently. Once they float and are al dente, meaning tender with a slight bite, drain them quickly. Serve immediately with your favorite sauce for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.